one dumbbell, lighten up the core, getting the heart rate up, building some coordination. This is Thors Hammer. Let's get warm, let's get going. If you want a fun, dynamic exercise that's going to light up your core, get you moving, check this out. We've got Thors Hammer. Okay, we're going to find a relatively light dumbbell. I've got 10 pounds here, holding it on one end as if you're holding the hammer with two hands. Okay, and the super important part of this, we want to see toes and hips pivoting as we go through it. Okay, soft in the knees. We're going to come down and maybe into like a quarter lunge, come over, up and over, pivot to the other side. So imagine you've got this hammer, okay? Your arms are mostly straight the entire time. We're down right in front of our knee. Make sure you stop, slam on the brakes before we get to that knee. We're gonna rip this dumbbell up and over to the other side, pull it down, stopping, slamming on a dime before we get to that knee, okay? I want super strict and rigid here. I don't want it to drift and swing back up. I want to slam it down, slam on the brakes, rip it up, rip it over, okay? So one more time in slow motion, pulling this dumbbell up, over, pulling it down, and stopping, ripping it back up, over, pulling it down, stopping, floating, flowing, going through those knees. Let's see full time, full speed. Here we go, ripping it up. Okay, that's full speed. The core is lighting up, arms, shoulders, backs, legs, everything's moving. Heart rate, as you can see, is already starting to go. So get after that Thors Hammer and have fun with it.